Hi everyone, welcome at the unboxing of the washi tape box for May. This beautiful washi tape box contains 8 washi tapes for $15 and 2 washi tapes even have foil tape accents. The theme of this box are purple, yellow and pink florals, and they are so beautiful. Look at these, aren't they cute? Okay, let me show you them one by one. These are these 3 washi tapes. These are the foil accents washi tape with gold foil. And these are the top washi tapes. Aren't they cute? So this box is not a subscription, but just a normal purchase box, which you can purchase until it sells out. It's available for $15 in the Planything webshop at planythingshop.com. Have a nice day. Bye.